Let's discuss fifth question in exercise 13.1. Read the question. A hemisphere. See, this is the hemisphere. Depression is cut out from one face of the cubical wooden block. This is the cubical wooden block. Hemispherical depression. It means hemisphere fixed into cubical box. Okay, cut out from one face of the cubical block. See here, hemisphere depression is cut out from one face of the cubical wooden block. This is the cut surface of cubical wooden block. Here we have to fix hemisphere into cubical wooden block. This is the depression. Okay, see how to fix this hemisphere into cubical wooden box. See, depression. Here hemisphere fixed into cubical block. See, this is the depression. Hemisphere fixed into cubical wooden block. Here we have to find the surface area of remaining solid. Surface area of remaining solid. Remaining solid means cube area and curved surface of this hemisphere. Okay, see, surface area of solid. This is the solid. Cube surface area plus curved surface. What is the surface area? Surface area definition is the area or region occupied by the surface of the object. Here remaining surface area is 6 faces. This 6 faces area, cube area plus curved surface area. This is the curved surface of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere but here already included top surface of the cube. Here there is no top surface, only small portions, these portions. Okay, here we want remaining solid surface area. It means area occupied by surface of the object. How many faces? 5 faces occupied, and these small portions occupied the region. Okay, so here already included top surface area. Okay, but we don't want this region. This is the cutting region. Okay, this is the cutting portion not included in top surface of cube. Okay, only included curved region of hemisphere and 5 sides and small portions. Okay, here already included 6 faces area, but top surface area only consider these 4 portions, not consider this circular region. Okay, this circular region subtracting from this total area. Circular area is nothing but area of base of hemisphere. Area of base of hemisphere. Clear? Let's draw the figure. See, this is the diagram. This is a cubical box. hemisphere depression into cubical wooden block. Okay, read the question. Hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of the cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of hemisphere. Here give a diameter of the hemisphere. Diameter of the hemisphere is here to here. Diameter of the hemisphere is L. So side length of the cube equal to L. Okay, in cube all sides are equal. Here diameter equal to side length. Diameter. This is the diameter. Diameter of the here to here distance is diameter. This is nothing but side length of the cube. So here diameter equal to L, which is equal to side of each side length of each side of cube. Diameter L of hemisphere is equal to edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of remaining solid. Okay, surface area. Therefore, surface area of remaining solid. Surface area of remaining solid equal to cube surface area and curved surface area of hemisphere minus area of base of hemisphere. Surface area of cube is 6a square. 6 into side square. 6 into a square plus curved surface of hemisphere is 2 pi r square minus area of base of hemisphere. Base area look like a circle. So area of the circle is pi r square. 6a square. Here a equal to L. Each edge of the cube equal to L. L square. 2 pi. Radius equal to diameter by 2. Here diameter equal to L. L by 2. L by 2 whole square minus pi into r is L by 2 whole square, which is equal to 2 pi r square minus pi r square is pi r square. Pi r square. 6l square plus pi l square by 4. Here L square by 4 is common. 6 plus 624 times. There is no 4 in denominator. So multiplied with 4. 24 plus pi. Therefore, surface area of remaining solid equal to L square by 4 into 24 plus pi square units. Clear?